Committee on Committees.
Yes, thank you, Chair Campbell. Will the Committee on Committees please come to order? It is now time for the committee to consider today's consent agenda. Does any committee member wish to remove any item from the consent agenda?
I do have a question.
Yes, Trustee Sebelius.
We have placed 3 new trustees on our committees, and the distribution seems rather even except for one committee, the University and Faculty Personnel. That committee had 2 trustees left, Trustee Eisen and Trustee Morales, but none of the new trustees placed on it. That is a cut of 25% to that committee. It now is the smallest staffed committee, and with the recent appointments, our board is full, so this committee is also now deemed to remain that small. Was there any reason or rationale for that, why this committee was truncated or neglected?
Vice Chancellor Jones, would you like to address this?
Well, I don't know what reasoning went into the assignments, but it is at the discretion of the chair of the Committee on Committees to make these allocations and for the board to approve it. So, you're welcome to make any kind of an alternative motion or raise any concerns that you have, Trustee Sebelius, but this is the slate that's put forward to the board to approve.
At our last meeting,
Secretary Jones, this is Trustee Secretariat Kiss.
Thank you.
Thank you, and thank you, Romy. Just to note that Chair Campbell and also Chancellor White also are ex officio members to all of the committees, so they are also members of those committees. And seeing in light of the first year, there was taking into account some of the preference and expertise, and knowing that trustees will be asked again within a couple of meetings to also provide their preferences. So this was determined in those discussions. Thank you.
okay,
All right.
thank you.
So Trustee Sebelius, is that the end of your comments then?
Yes, I just wanted to point out that our last meeting, when we placed the new student trustee on committees, there was an automatic replacement. Wherever an outgoing trustee went out, she took over that position, and that practice didn't seem to be continued here. I just wanted to hear what Michelle said. That makes a lot of sense. Thank you.
All right, thank you. So does any committee member wish to remove any item from the consent agenda? All right, hearing none, is there any objection to the approval of the consent agenda? Hearing none, the consent agenda is approved. Chair Campbell, that concludes the business of the Committee on Committees.
Thank you, Trustee Fong. We will now take a brief lunch break and reconvene at 12:45.